How to automate student registration with WooCommerce and Tutor LMS. Imagine the frustration of manually registering each student in your online courses. What if I tell you there is a way to automate student registration and course enrollment in Tutor LMS using WooCommerce? So, in this video, you will learn how to set up WooCommerce for seamless registration of students in Tutor LMS. The first step, set up a WooCommerce store and configure product variations for different courses. This allows students to choose the right course easily. Here is how to set up and configure WooCommerce variation in Tutor LMS courses. One, define specific courses with well-structured modules, lessons, and quizzes to enhance the learning experience. 2, enable automated course enrollment upon successful purchase, streamlining the student journey and reducing manual work. 3, enable user registration and set up customer accounts for seamless logins. This ensures that every student gets instant access to their account. 4, in WooCommerce, customize the checkout process to collect relevant student information for better course management. Details like student name, email, and enrollment preferences can be captured effortlessly. With this in place, whenever a student completes a purchase, WooCommerce automatically enrolls them in the linked Tutor LMS course, completely hands-free. Please encourage us to create more such videos for you by liking, sharing, and clicking the subscribe button.